Okay guys, so Xempire withdrawal now on exchange is currently live. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your Xempire to Bybit, how you can find your Bybit UID, and how you can find Xempire deposit address on your Bybit Exchange. If you are seeing this video as a short, please make sure you quickly check on the related video or just scroll down to my video log so that you can watch it, because I won't be able to explain all this within 60 seconds because of the limit of short. Now if you are watching this video on my main video timeline, please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Make sure you drop a thank you for me in the comment section, and also you subscribe. So quickly now, let's head straight into it. Now on your Bybit Exchange, first of all, what you are going to do under your Telegram bot, once you choose Bybit, they are going to ask you, do you have an account with Bybit? Immediately you click yes I have. So once you click yes I have, these are the things that they will show you there. They are going to ask you for your Bybit UID, Xempire address, and what memo tag. Please guys, watch this video carefully so you don't make mistake and lose your token. So now once we are at Bybit already, this is what we are going to do. Now look on this profile icon on my top left. So if you tap on this profile icon, please make sure that your Bybit account is verified, because if your Bybit account is not verified, you might lose your token. So if your Bybit account is not verified, or you don't even have a Bybit account, quickly just check down my playlist. I made a video on how to create a Bybit account and how to verify it. It just a simple step. So quickly, as I've clicked on that profile, are you seeing my own? It's already tick verified. So I'm going to tap on this UID. So that's it. So once I copy this UID, I will take this UID and go and paste it on that Telegram bot for Xempire, and I'll paste it as my what? Bybit UID. So that is it for UID. So quickly, the next thing we're going to do now is to look for what? Xempire deposit address on Bybit. So we'll just go backward like this. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, you like and comment. Make sure you subscribe. That's a way of showing gratitude for what you have learned. So quickly now, there are two options now for searching for this. Either you tap on this deposit that you are seeing on my top right, or you just quickly go to assets. So now let's go for deposit. So watch carefully guys so you don't make mistakes. So once you tap deposit, you are going to see three things: P2P trading, buy with NG, and you see deposit crypto. So what you are going to tap is what? Deposit crypto, because we want to deposit crypto here. So now once you go to this search bar, do not search Xempire. If you search Xempire, you will not find it. So what you are going to just tap is what? X. Are you seeing? So I've tapped X, so I'm going to just scroll down gently. Be patient. When you are doing stuff like this, you don't do it in a rush, because if you rush in, you will rush out by losing your token. So I don't want anybody to make mistake and lose their token. So we have tapped on X. So quickly now, this is it. Can you see it? Are you seeing it? On letter X now, we have seen Xempire. Now remember, we'll just click on Xempire. Remember, Xempire is on what? The Ton blockchain. So you see it, make sure it's on Ton. So we'll just tap on yes. So what you are going to do now, so these are the things you are going to make sure you don't make mistake. You copy what? This wallet address. Now once you copy this wallet address, you go and paste it in that your Telegram bot as your Xempire deposit address. Then you come back here and copy what? The memo tag, and go and paste it in that memo tag. Make sure you don't skip any of these things, because if you skip it, once their trading is live, you won't be able to what? You won't even see your token. So make sure you either save this video or you rewatch it again and carefully follow my step-by-step guide so as not to make any mistake whatsoever. Now after you have received this your token, I made a video on my playlist how you can what to do P2P trading and sell your Xempire from to USDT, and also from USDT you can sell it to Naira. So if you're in Nigeria, just go to my playlist. I made a video how to do P2P trading, so you can watch it so as not to make any mistake whatsoever. So quickly, let me just do a recap, because I don't want anybody to make mistake. Quickly again, I say you are going to come to Bybit, ensure that your Bybit is verified. You tap on this profile icon. Once you tap on this profile icon, this is the UID. You copy your UID and go and paste it in where they ask you for what? Bybit UID. Now if you want to look for Xempire, either you tap on deposit. Remember, we use deposit, and I say once you tap on deposit, you just go to deposit crypto. So that is what we used, deposit. So now let's use assets for the next recap. So if I just tap on asset, what I will need to tap now is what? Spot. So once I tap on spot, I allow it to load. So once after finish tapping on spot, I'm just going to tap on the search bar, and the same thing I did, that's what I'm going to do now. I'll just put X. Remember, I said don't type Xempire. If you type Xempire, you won't find it. So just type letter X, then you quickly scroll down. Let's quickly scroll down. please guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Make sure you drop a thank you in the comment section, because I believe you guys have learned something. You can also join my Telegram channel so you stay updated for informations and other payable airdrop that are launching. So here you guys can see it. This is Xempire. You see it, I have saved you the stress. So once you tap on Xempire, you now allow it to load. So once you load, remember Xempire is what? It's on the Ton blockchain. So what we'll be copying here, as we did before, is what? Xempire deposit address and the memo tag. So we're waiting for it to load. Remember I said you can either go through what? Assets, or you just tap on that deposit that we saw on the main screen. These two options. So if you don't get anyone correctly, you can just use this one. So quickly now, you see it now, we'll just go to deposit, not transfer. So once you tap on deposit, you wait for it to load. Please, as you are watching, please make sure you subscribe and drop a thank you in the comment section. You can share this video and also join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. So once I deposit, then I wait for it to load. Okay, so this is it, guys. We're waiting for it to load quickly, so we'll just head straight into it. So once I tap on deposit, I just wait for it to load. Sometimes it might take time depending on your network. So once it loads on deposit, we are copying what again? That deposit address and what again? The memo tag. Please guys, make sure you subscribe, you like, drop me a thank you in the comment section, and drop me a love emoji saying thank you. So we'll just wait for it to quickly load, so you can just quickly do it. Remember I said you can either use the deposit option or you use asset option. So remember, Xempire is on the Ton blockchain. So this is it, guys. We are there already. So this is it. So what we're going to do is that you remember, copy this address. Remember, you copy this address here, then you go and copy this wallet address here. First of all, you go and paste it in Xempire wallet address that is on your your Telegram bot for Xempire. You come back here and copy the memo tag. That is basically it. So please guys, thank you guys for watching. Please guys, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.